Welcome to Lesson 6. In your previous lesson, you learned that calcium is also in our bones. And you saw that vinegar added to the chicken bone pulled the calcium from the bone and left only soft parts of the chicken bone behind. In this activity, we're going to talk about healthy teeth. Calcium is also in our teeth. Diet is one of the major ways that we introduce calcium to our bodies. People can't produce their own calcium, so we have to get it through the things that we eat and drink. For this activity, what you'll need are 600 milligram tablets of calcium carbonate, 150 milliliters of a clear fruit punch beverage, 150 milliliters of water, 150 milliliters of whole milk, and 150 milliliters of a cola flavored beverage. We'll add each of those to a cup, and then we'll add 1 calcium carbonate tablet to each of those cups. We'll set a timer for 3 minutes, and we'll check it and see what's happening inside the cup. And then we'll also set a timer for 10 minutes, and then check again after 10 minutes to see how these beverages affect the calcium that's in our teeth and our bodies. So in this activity, what we've seen is how acids in our foods interact with the calcium in our teeth and our bones, just like the acid in the vinegar interacted with the calcium in the rubber chicken bones. Although our bodies need a little bit of acid to be able to really use the calcium in our foods, too much acid can be a really big problem. This is especially true for our teeth. The bacteria eat the sugar and make acids. When they put the sugary drinks or foods in our mouths, they're feeding the bacteria that live on our teeth. These bacteria then make more acids that interact with the calcium. As you went through the experiment, let's kind of reflect back on what we saw. What did you notice? Which of the tablets changed the most? Which changed the least? And also share with your peers and your family what happened to the calcium in each of the liquids. We hope you enjoyed today's activity.